We've just seen a peculiar shift in world sentiment, with a sentiment score at plus 0.061 and momentum dropping sharply, minus 0.850. This indicates a contrasting view from the historical baseline, suggesting that while there's a slight positive sentiment, the overall momentum is significantly negative. This divergence could signal underlying tensions or emerging narratives you might want to track closely. With our API, you get detailed insights like sentiment analysis and momentum trends, encapsulated into actionable data you can integrate into your applications. A potential use case. Imagine adapting your content strategy based on real-time sentiment shifts, allowing your platform to serve users the most relevant information as the world changes. To dive deeper into the data and integrate it, check out pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Your next insight is just a call away.